Look at the sun. It is at the zenith. It is the middle of the day at 12 noon. Once when Pujya Gurudev was asked, Swamiji, how is it to be at the top? Single-handedly he worked for the revival of the Sanatana Dharma, established Sandipani Sadhanalaya, trained so many monks, and so many people today who speak on Vedanta are all students who have graduated from the Sandipani Sadhanalaya at Powai. And in his time he established 250 centers in 25 countries, 75 schools, 7 colleges, many temples, ashrams, orphanages, old age homes. So much he achieved. So when somebody asked him, Swamiji, how is it to be at the top? And Gurudev said, at the top you are alone. And then he said, when the sun is at the zenith, people cannot see it. How true is that? That is such a beautiful expression by Pujya Gurudev. At the top, one is alone. And when the sun is at the zenith, one can't see it. Lamps can be many, but the sun is one. And especially the sun at the zenith is most bright and brilliant. The sun at the zenith shines in its maximum capacity. Same way, realized masters are like that, who shine in their infinite glory. May the sun always remind us to seek the highest and to discover the highest in us, which is the infinite reality. Just like we can't see the sun at the zenith, in the same way, we still are not able to comprehend what is the impact of the work that Pujya Gurudev Swami Chinmayananji did. The countless lives he touched, culture he revived, sowed the seed of spirituality in millions of people's hearts. So much more that he did. Even after decades of him dropping the body, we are still not able to fathom the work that he did. And his name continues to do many more wonders. That's the power of a realized person. Even after so many millenniums, we still study the work of Adi Shankaracharya ji, Gautam Buddha. Many decades have passed and many saints have dropped their bodies. But we still study the works of Swami Vidyaranya, Tulsidas ji, Mirabai, Ramakrishna, Paramhamsa, Sant Tukaram, Janabai, Sakhubai, so many great saints. Centuries and decades have passed that they have left their bodies, but their work is immortal. That is true legacy, which transforms human lives, which impacts human lives across millenniums, across generations, across centuries. We should ask ourselves, the work that we are doing, will it have that impact? And why did their work have that kind of an impact? Because they went within, they realized universal oneness. They let go of the ego and they discovered that there is one supreme, infinite, absolute truth. To realize that is the purpose of evolution itself and main purpose of human life. Let's fulfill that purpose.